Hi everyone, welcome back to the yet another class of class 8. Now I have discussed chapter 1, 2 and 3 with you, and I have discussed the lab activities as well. So I thought, I know you have queries, but I thought why not start with a new chapter today. So the chapter I am going to start today is known as HTML. Okay, it's a very easy chapter, but it's a very fun chapter because here you learn how to actually make those pages you see on maybe the web pages when you open a Google Chrome or when you open something else, any browser. Then you see this kind of pages. I thought why not learn how to make those pages. So I thought that you have already learned about what is HTML. So your chapter starts with list, hoping that you already know what is header and what is other tags. I am going to start with list. Now you see that there are many lists, like one by one. When you put enter and the line goes to the cursor goes to the next line, and you start writing from there, and you write few points, like suppose I am using this bullet. Okay, now you are writing Ishani. Then in the next bullet you are writing suppose Pratik. Then in the next bullet you are writing Gaurav, Ivy. Like this you can use many bullets, and these are called a list. This is where we are creating a list. Now in this list we are not naming anything. We are just like putting a dot or something and making the list. There may be many lists, such as giving 1, 2, 3 Tina, then suppose the next will be Trisha. So this, what you are looking at right now, is an ordered list. Okay, this what you are looking at right now is an ordered list, and the first one you look like Ishani, Pratik and Gaurav is an unordered list, because we are just creating a list. There is no order of that. We can put Pratik in the first position and Ishani in the second, but here Tina should be in the first position and Trisha should be in the second, because 1 and 2 is that. So this is called ordered and unordered list. And there is another list called description list. Okay, in this kind of list you can actually change suppose Tina has another portion under itself. Okay, like another type of list which you see in the web browser, which is this description list is also called definition list. Okay, and this is where the terms, like if I am now I can't define Trina, I can define computer. The term computer is now will be followed by a description of what is computer apparently. Okay, now understood what is description list, what is ordered list, and what is unordered list. Why I am hurrying up? Because I will explain the entire thing whatever I am saying today in the next class we meet, but still I want you to just go through this all list things. One, how to make a list I will show you today. For that we have to go to, okay, another thing for this unordered list, we have 3 options. Okay, first option would be the one I have written, this dot, okay, bullet, and the next options will be this, okay, circle. First one is disk. This black one is called disk. The second one, which is not filled in with black color, just a circle, is called a circle. And the third one which we have here is called a square. Okay, now this are defined under type. What kind of bullet or what kind of dot we want, bullet style, this is defined under type. If you want disk, then you have to write type is equal to maybe circle. I want the second one. Or if you don't want to circle, then you can write type is equal to square. If you don't want square, then you can write type is equal to which one? The first one is called disk. Okay, DISC. So these are the types we can use. Now where we want to write the the codes, we will write all the codes in the notepad. Okay, in the notepad section we are going to write the codes. First of all, what we'll do, we will start writing the HTML tag and the end HTML tag. Okay, inside this we are going to write the head tag. We will start the head tag. You can see that I'm starting something and I'm ending that thing, because so that we don't forget it to end at the last. Okay, after that we will start the title tag. The title tag I want to write is list 1, and then I'll end the title tag. Okay, done. Now I will go to the body inside the HTML tag. Sorry, I will start with the body and I'll end the body tag. Okay, now there is a header. There should be a header. H1 is the header, which should be at the center position. Suppose to-do list. This is a header. Okay, to-do list. So we'll end the center position and will end the H1. Done here. Now I said we have to write the type. Where we'll write the type? Under UL. Okay, UL type. Suppose I want the circle on. Okay, UL type is equal to circle, and then I'll end this. After that I'll write the list. List first will be breakfast, second will be, you don't have to number them, okay, because this is an unordered list. Breakfast, and then bath, then study maybe a little, okay, and then at the end you will just end the UL tag. Okay, this is all. And we have the body tag ended, we have HTML tag ended. Now we'll save it maybe on the desktop. I don't save everything on the desktop. Let's just first list.html. So I've saved it. Let's see. My default browser is Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. That's why the sign is this. If you save it with HTML extension, then maybe if your default browser is Google, then this icon will be of Google. I'm clicking on the list. Let's see what comes. So I have chosen the circular bullet. That's why the first one is circular breakfast, second one is circular bath, and the third one is circular study. The header, which was the head, is list 1 here, and the what should I say? The heading I wanted is to-do list, which is at the center position. It's here. Am I clear? This is how we create a unordered list in the first position. So your activity will be to create a unordered list of some household shopping, maybe groceries, and show it to in the next day maybe. Okay, take care everyone. Have a nice day ahead. Take care of everyone, and yeah, bye bye.